Hi! In front of me is TCL 408, and today I would like to show you how you can manage location. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now look for location icon, and when you find it, click on it. If you can't find it anywhere, select this pen at the bottom left corner. Look for it below, and when you find it, hold it and drag it. Then let go, go back, and finally click on it. As you can see, my icon is now gray. That means that location is disabled, but you can always enable it by selecting the same one again. You can also go into Devices Settings, scroll all the way down and look for Location section. When you find it, click on it and manage it by clicking on this switcher at the top. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!